So we just drove 1,200 kilometers to pick up my old Chevy here. We're gonna put a new transmission and carburetor on it and drive it 1,200 kilometers back. Should be an interesting time. So here's the new carburetor I got. It's a Summit Racing 650 4-barrel double pumper. Should let her absolutely scream. Now if you follow me around this way, I just put the new B&M high stall torque converter into the trans. It's a Turbo 400. We're gonna throw that up in there today and see if we can get her driving. All right, well, we got the new transmission in with the new torque converter. Still got a couple things to hook up down here. Should be good. Was not fun to wrestle up there on this gravel, but we got her. We got the new Summit Racing carburetor placed on there. We have to go get some fittings and an adapter. Then we can fill her up with gas and ATF, fire it up. So it's day 2 of repairing my truck. I just welded some new mufflers in because I am not very fond of the amount of noise that used to come out of this when it was straight piped. The glass packs are old, those are new. I'm just about to patch up this hole. Then this will be ready to go on the truck. So now I've got the new carburetor installed, along with new fuel rail and pressure gauge. I got pretty much everything in the engine bay put back together. Did an oil change. Now we're going to install the exhaust back under the truck and fill up the trans. And it should be ready to rock and roll. Okay, so it's still the second day of working on this. We've got everything put in. The fuel cell has probably 10 liters in it. Fuel pump's all hooked up. We got the exhaust, transmission, everything put in and hooked up. Carburetor is set up. We just set up the floats and hooked up the choke, tested the fuel pressure. You want to turn on the fuel pump? So that jumps up. All right, fire it up. Oh, no way. That fired right up. Give it a small rev. Awesome. All right. Looks like we're gonna have the maiden voyage. yesterday, after getting everything in the truck and driving it around, I decided to put insurance on it. Try and drive over 100 kilometers to my grandparents' house, because this used to be my grandpa's truck. And on the way there, the brand new transmission gave out. So I'm gonna have to pull that out and ship it back to the builder. All right.
Me from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true.
All right, well, I got my transmission out again. Took an hour. Yeah, it wasn't very much fun. All right, well, we wrestled the transmission into the back of this rental Suburban. I don't have it in the very back because all my tools are back there. Taking it to the shipping place.
This life's a show. Try not to glow. Way down below, it's a lot of woe. And that's not a place where you would like to go.